Hello students, today we are starting with the online practicals in biology standard 12th. Yes, so this is your practical notebook, and here if you'll see, practicals are divided into two parts, that is part A and part B. In the part A, list of 15 experiments are there. Yes, these are called as core experiments. So due to this pandemic situation for this year, out of 15 you have to perform only 6 experiments. Yes, so only 6 experiments are going to be conducted this year. So first one, another all are deleted, many are deleted. Out of 15 only 6 you have to do, and 9 practicals are deleted. So which we are going to do for this year, that is study of osmosis by potato osmometer, then study of soil sample to find their pH and texture and type, then study of water sample collected from different water bodies and for the pH clarity, this one. And then eighth one, that is study of plant population density and frequency of different plant population by quadrate method. And then next one is isolation of DNA from the given sample, dissect and display floral whorls. Yes, and so these are the 6 experiments which we are going to do for this year. So and other part, if you'll see, that is the section B. In section B, here again list of 14 experiments are there, that comes under demonstration experiment, or we can say spotting. So in spotting, here total 10 spots will come for your exam, and in spotting you have to only demonstrate, you have to identify the given specimen, and then you have to write comment upon it, so each for 1 mark. Yes, so today we are going to start with the first experiment, that is study of osmosis by potato osmometer. So this is our first experiment, that is study of osmosis by potato osmometer. Yes, so here first we will start with this practical. You can see certain things are required, that is first of all potato. Yes, we are doing potato osmometer. Yes, our aim is to study the process of osmosis using potato osmometer. So here we are using this potato, this medium size potato. Other requirements you can see here in this glass, here I made concentrated sugar solution. Yes, we need a petri dish. So you can use this petri dish, or as we are doing at home, so you can use any kind of dish like this. Yes, you can see here, this is what colored water. So here for the colored water I added little turmeric in this water. Yes, so this is colored water, and other things we need this potato peeler. Yes, potato peeler. I need this knife. Then we need this paper pins. Yes, you can see this is paper pin. So and yes, these things are required. So first of all, what we have to do for this experiment, as you all can easily find these such things at your place, है ना, सबको उनके घर पे ये सारी चीज़ें आसानी से मिल जाएंगी. यू हैव पोटैटो एट होम, आपके पास ये डिश होगा सच काइंड ऑफ. यू हैव शुगर एट होम, सो इस तरह से शुगर सिरप बना सकते हैं. यू कैन टेक हाफ अ कप ऑफ water in that, or half or 1/4 cup of water, you can add little 1.5 or 2 teaspoon of sugar in that, and in this way you can make this sugar solution. And then this is the colored water. Yes, so this is the requirement. So sit with these such things and follow the steps for the experiment. So first of all, what we have to do, we can peel this potato by this potato peeler. Yes, so observe carefully, peel off the skin of this medium sized potato. So I am peeling this. So in this way you have to peel this. तो पोटैटो को अच्छे से इसके छिलके निकाल देना इस तरह से पीलर से. So in this way you have to peel it. Yes, now already it is peeled off. Now what you have to do? Now with the help of knife, here you have to cut one end of the potato, yes, to make a flat surface. One side, here one side you have to cut like this, and you have to make flat surface, yes. And then from the other side, here why we are making this flat surface? So that you can keep it nicely in the dish, yes. So now at the other side you have to make hollow cavity inside that, yes. You have to make cavity inside the potato. So to make hollow cavity, so how you have to cut? You have to cut in such a way, yes, square shape mein you have to cut from one to other end, horizontally and vertically also, yes. So you can see you have to make one square cut. You have to make one square cut like this. Yes, ऐसा पहले स्क्वायर में कट करना है, ऐसा नाइफ से निशान बना लेना है. You can see, and then and you have to do it very much carefully, huh? So this way. So I made this, yes. So likewise here you have to put this mark square cut on the potato, yes. Other side I had made this base form. Base means what I did here, I had cut this one and make it flat surface so that you can keep it nicely in the dish. And here I made this square shaped, and then what you have to do, you have to remove it. You have to remove it as I need a hollow cavity here, yes. hollow cavity बनाना है. अब क्या करना है, यहाँ से इस तरह से मैंने एक स्क्वायर में एक चारों साइड से निशान बना लिया है. और अब क्या करना है, you can see this is the easy way so that you can easily remove this such extra things as I need this hollow cavity here, yes. तो पहले इस तरह से ऐसे यहाँ पे कटिंग करना है, and then again horizontally and vertically you have to make 4-5 cuts this way, yes. So now you can see, now I have to I can remove it easily. You can see here, yes. You can see how easily it can be removed. So these all pieces you can remove, and in this way you will be able to make hollow cavity. इस तरह से हमें knife की help से, you need a pointed sharp this knife, or you can use blade also for this, and you have to remove these such things, and we have to make hollow cavity. You can see इस तरह से यहाँ पे निकाल देना है, और पूरा इस तरह से हमें कैविटी बना लेना है अंदर. So very carefully you have to do this thing, and while doing this thing certain precautions you have to follow, like the walls of the potato, it should be thin. The base, if you see, the base should be thin, yes. Inside from this thing you have to remove it very much carefully. And the lower end of the potato, this lower end should be flat, yes. So that if the lower end will be flat, then easily it will be stable where in the petri dish. अगर ये नीचे का flat होगा तो easily हम ये stably इसको रख पाएंगे petri dish में. So in this way you have to make hollow cavity. Yes. So you can see, and here the wall of the base is also thin here, yes. And as I had make this hollow cavity, and this potato, after making the cavity in the potato, so it should be like thin at, it should be thin at to intact at the bottom also. You can see अंदर से अगर देखोगे तो इस तरह से thin होना चाहिए कि bottom अगर touch करोगे तो you can feel it, yes, but it should not the layer it should not break from inside. हाँ, नाइफ से ऐसा कुछ भी इसमें ऐसा ब्रेक नहीं होना चाहिए कि from one to other end it should not cut like that, otherwise we are going to put this sugar solution in that. So otherwise if we'll do like that, any cutting, yes, any porous structure, then what will happen, the sugar solution जो हम इसमें डालने वाले हैं वो वहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा, निकल जाएगा. Yes, so in this way you have to make this hollow cavity in the potato. Now what you have to do, now you have to keep this potato in the petri dish. Yes, so you can use at home, you are doing, you can use this plate, or I have this petri dish also. Yes, so I can keep in this also, or either you have to keep in this. So what you have to do, you can now add some sugar solution. You can see this is concentrated sugar solution. So now I am going to pour this sugar solution in this my osmometer. This is potato osmometer. Yes, you can see I added half filled cavity. This cavity is half filled with the sugar solution. Yes, and now I will place this potato osmometer in the petri dish, or in this dish, and this dish is containing certain water. You can see here I made turmeric water. Yes, so this is the colored water. You can use normal water also. So I am putting this colored water in this dish. Yes, you can add some more water. Here I am adding some more water in this dish. Yes, so you can see here in the dish, here I added this colored water, and here in the potato osmometer, here I added sugar solution. Yes, and then what you have to do, now you have to place this osmometer in this dish containing colored water. Yes, now you have to observe the level of sugar in the cavity after some time. Yes, for that what you have to do, you have to place a pin here. What you can see here, this is the pin, and here I am placing this pin in this osmometer like this, and this pin is only to mark the level of the sugar solution. सुगर सोल्यूशन जो मैंने डाला हुआ है, इसका लेवल मार्क करने के लिए मैंने इसमें क्या लगाया, देखो एक पिन लगाया हुआ है. तो क्या होगा, पिन दिख रहा है आपको कि हाफ पिन यहाँ पर सुगर सोल्यूशन से कवर हो गया है. और जब ये लेवल इसमें राइज होगा, जब हम इसको यहाँ पे डिश में रखेंगे, तो ये जब इसका लेवल राइज होगा, तो ये पिन के आपको लेवल से पता चलेगा, सोल्यूशन के लेवल से, कि यहाँ पर कितना लेवल राइज हो रहा है. यस, so we can mark the initial level of this sugar solution with the pin. Yes, and then we can keep it in the colored water in this dish. Now after some time you can mark that the level of sugar in the potato osmometer is going to rise. Yes, that will be our observation. So if we'll put it like that, अगर इस तरह से इसको हम रख देंगे, तो थोड़े समय के बाद हम क्या ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कि हमारा जो वाटर का लेवल है, यहाँ पर जो वाटर का लेवल होगा किसमें, ऑस्मोमीटर के अंदर, ये राइज होगा. येस, दैट इज़ आवर ऑब्जर्वेशन. बट वाई दिस वाटर लेवल इज राइजिंग इन दिस ऑस्मोमीटर? So that is this rise of level of sugar solution, that is because of end osmosis. यस, इसमें क्या होगा, एंड ऑस्मोसिस होगा. तो एंड ऑस्मोसिस में क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स मूव फ्रॉम द रीजन ऑफ हायर वाटर पोटेंशियल टू द लोअर वाटर पोटेंशियल. सो यहाँ पे जो पेट्री डिश में वाटर है उसका पोटेंशियल कैसा है, हाई वाटर पोटेंशियल, एंड ऑस्मोमीटर के अंदर जो सुगर सोल्यूशन है उनका जो पोटेंशियल है वो लो पोटेंशियल है. यस, तो हम देखेंगे कि अंदर ऑस्मोमीटर के अंदर यहाँ पे वाटर का लेवल राइज हो रहा है. इट मीन्स इट इज़ अंडरस्टूड दैट लेवल ऑफ वाटर इज राइजिंग फ्रॉम हाई टू लोअर पोटेंशियल. यस, एज इन द पेट्री डिश जो वाटर का लेवल है वो कैसा है, हाई पोटेंशियल है. इसमें कैसा है, लो पोटेंशियल है. यहाँ पे हम कुछ समय के बाद ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कि यहाँ पर लेवल राइज होगा. Okay, so that is our practical. Now we will leave it for some time and then we will observe ki what happened and how it will rise after some time. So I will wait for 1 hour and then again I will show you. But before that I want to tell you certain precautions as we had discussed earlier also. So what you have to matlab precautionary measure what you have to follow while doing this practical. First of all, इनका जो पोटैटो का वॉल है वो कैसा होना चाहिए कटिंग करते समय, इट शुड बी थिन. यस, एंड लोअर एंड ऑफ द पोटैटो शुड बी फ्लैट. लोअर एंड कैसा होना चाहिए? फ्लैट होना चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे पोटैटो ईजिली हम पेट्री डिश में स्टेबल करके रख सकें. Next is the sugar solution should be sufficiently high osmotic concentration as compared to the cell sap of potato cells. Yes, so यहाँ पे जो sugar solution है वो हाई कंसनट्रेशन ऑस्मोटिक कंसनट्रेशन उनका होना चाहिए. पोटैटो का जो सेल सैप है पोटैटो सेल्स से इनका कंसनट्रेशन हाई होना चाहिए. यस, so this is what about the potato osmometer. Now we will watch it after 1 hour. Yes, now we are back. Yes, after 1 hour we are back and now you can easily note, here you can see easily you can note the level of sugar in the potato osmoscope. Yes, you can see इसमें rise दिख रहा है शुगर के लेवल का और अंदर का भी जो आपको वाटर दिख रहा है वो कैसा दिख रहा है? देखो येलो कलर का दिख रहा है. यस, दिस इज टर्मरिक कलर. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया है? एंड ऑस्मोसिस की वजह से वाटर जो मूव हुआ है राइज हुआ है. यस, वाटर यहाँ पर कैसा मूव हो रहा है? जो लेवल यहाँ पे राइज हो रहा है ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स मूव फ्रॉम अ रीजन ऑफ हायर वाटर पोटेंशियल टू द लोअर पोटेंशियल. तो यहाँ पे जो डिश में वाटर है टर्मरिक वाटर हायर वाटर पोटेंशियल, यहाँ पे लोअर वाटर पोटेंशियल. एंड यू कैन सी अभी ऑस्मोस्कोप में देखो यहाँ पर लेवल राइज हो चुका है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द स्टडी ऑफ ऑस्मोसिस बाय पोटैटो osmometer.